Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kicking from the hip. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, yeah. But they fought with expert timing. There was funky Billy Chin and little Sammy Chung.
Jeg sidder og syr til et pudebetræk, så vi får nogle puder, som har lidt pangfarve. Altså så putter vi betræk over puderne.
Det er også nogle flip til pandetøj.
Ja. Okay. Så.
Into a brand new trip, everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Vi er ved at få lavet en plan for mikrofonerne og få sat de sidste sorte stykker stof op og er tæt på at være færdige med scenen. Og så tror jeg ellers bare, at vi prøver at lade alle skuespillerne komme lidt til, så de kan begynde at få øvet på scenen.
Det går skide godt, mega godt.
Okay.
Fantastisk, utrolig fantastisk, tror jeg. Derfor de scener, jeg er med, så går det utrolig godt. Det vil sige 2 scener. 2 scener bliver gode.
Vi laver så billet til Roskilde. Okay.
Make sure you have expert timing.
Vi må være ved at læse vores første igen og finde ud af, hvad mennesker der er.